Cubers, exciting video today. I have just received, boom, it's upside down, the GAN 15 Maglev. Is there a difference? No, there's not. GAN 15 Maglev UV. Anyway, and we've also got the Qi clock, the blue one. I don't think there's much difference between the blue one, the red one, and the white one, or the white and black one. But we're going to open up, we're going to have a little look, and we're going to see how it goes. I've got the other one here just to compare. But I'll tell you what, let's start with the clock. Ooh, it's not even solved. That literally came not solved. And it's in sideways. Why is it in sideways? What does the back look like? As if, why does it come like that? That's so random. Let's just move that to the side. Okay. Can't immediately feel... It feels a little bit stiffer than the original clock. Not too sure why. I guess, like, oh, I don't know, maybe not. No, it does. It definitely feels a lot stiffer, like it's not lubed or it's got, well, I don't know what this is lubed with from factory, but this feels, oh, maybe it just needs breaking in. Not that I'd ever do that on a normal clock, but I don't know. When I'm hand scrambling, I sort of like go, and it doesn't feel like it's really cut out for it, I guess. Let's do a solve. Now, I do average about 20 seconds, so don't expect anything fancy, but I don't know. I think I can give my honest opinion. I don't think there's anything different between the black and white one and the blue and white one, if I'm honest, apart from the colour, but that doesn't matter, does it? Okay. What am I even doing? Oh, okay. Inspecting, I'm just going to start from, it doesn't matter. Oh, that's already done. Gonna skip that one. Oh, oh no. Oh, what did I do? Oh dear. That was atrocious. Okay, that's quite a good clock. Mind you, we knew it was a good clock because we knew the original was a good clock. I would like to maybe do the mod on it, swap the colours around and just have a full blue face and a full white face. That would be really nice actually on that. And then I'll maybe even get the red one involved and do some weird, wacky red and blue thing. But anyway, yeah, there is the clock. I think most of you probably want to move on to the GAN 15 and see what that's like. So, nice cool box, definitely iPhone-y, 10 years of GAN Cube. I say iPhone-y, but it's like, it's just GAN now, isn't it? Like, it's not even iPhone, it's just the GAN standard. I know they've copied it, but... So, we've got card, we are number 12,680. Boom. I never know what this does, you can scan it. What's that, WeChat and Instagram, is that WeChat? Don't know, someone scan this and let me know in the comments. Okay, so what have we got? We have got a Q pouch, GAN. They need to, I don't know, swap these up. It's been the same for years. Oh, that feels different. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's just because it's new and not old, but it feels quite nice. Let's put the clock to bed. Does it fit? Does it fit? Oh, look at that. Oh, wonderful. Hey, there we go. Found a use for that Q pouch that no one ever uses. Or do they? I don't know. Cube, do we go to the... Do we do the cube? Or should we see the accessories? Let's see the accessories. Just quickly. What does it come with? Oh my gosh, what is that? Wow, okay. Different. So they've got the GAN cap puller offer. Is that... Oh, that comes out. Okay, so... This is the GAN centre cap removal tool. This is how you get the centre cap off, just so you don't damage anything. This is, I'm guessing, a tension adjustment tool. So, yep. Here, what is this? Why would you need these? I'm assuming there's different tension settings for the centre caps, like the level of the step. But that's just... thank you for choosing GAN 15 Maglev. Has always been the epitome of professional speedcubing, renowned for its ultimate blah blah blah. Does it say? Don't know. White rod, blue rod, green rod, higher gear. Okay, so this is also how you remove the rods from the corners. Okay, anyway, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let's just move everything out of shot so it's nice and clean for you guys. There we go. Oh, okay, it wants to stay in shot, that one. Boom, so GAN 15. I can't wait to no-low this up. Oh. Okay, so first impressions, it's not bad, not bad. I'm not too sure what GAN are going for these days. Every cube they release seems to sort of feel the same-ish, although I don't really know. Like, in my opinion, the last good cube was like maybe the GAN 11 was good. GAN 12 was actually all right. The GAN 12 UI was really good. I just feel ever since then they've been lacking something, and I always say the word character, lacking character. I don't know if that's the right word, but again, I feel like this is lacking character. Like, I love MoU cubes. I'm sorry, GAN, but there's something about MoU cubes. I can't wait to rub this logo off and no-low it. Oh, it's always satisfying, like, when you've done a new cube. Anyway, I'll see what we're going to do. We're going to take the center cap off using this blue thingy. This massive blue thingy. Pop it over the center cap. Boom. And then it just releases it. And let's check out the adjustment, the tension settings. I apologise for my fingers. It's dye. I've been dyeing puzzles, if you saw in the previous video. Yeah, the dye's sort of spread to different fingers now because I've been doing more of it. Okay, let's take this out. Ooh, God, look at that core. That core is like so tiny. And look at the magnets. Blimey. Okay, I don't know why you'd need to use that tool. It doesn't even go on there, does it? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, okay. That, I mean, it's a little bit. It's a good fit, but you can just use your fingers quite easily. Jesus. Okay, so there's the core. There's the magnets. You can see there's not really a lot of clearance between the magnet and the between the core and the corner. You've got like maybe 2 millimeters. So that is quite strong, if I'm honest. What magnets are they? They look like 3x2s in the core, and I don't know how deep that goes, but that's probably like a 3x6 maybe. So yeah, anyway. Oh, that is a little teardown of the inside. Do we have any? Okay, so we've got no magnet adjustments on the edge pieces. You can see the magnet just up here. So there's no way to adjust the edge magnets. Oh, blimey, what happened there? Oh, it goes in that way. So there's no way to adjust the edge magnets. It doesn't look like we can adjust the... In fact, there's no adjustments on this. It's got to all be inside the centerpiece. But is that where this comes into play? I'll have to figure out what this is. Let's see what. Let's chuck all this back on, and let's compare one of the centerpieces that comes in the bag with one of the centerpieces that comes off the cube. What is going on here? Oh my gosh! Why is it just exploding? Ah, this is fiddly. Fiddly is the word. Where's that piece there? Okay, that wasn't easy. Right. Okay. I don't want to get these mixed up. Okay, right hand came off of the mat out of the cube. Okay. Right, the only difference I can see immediately, the steps look to be the same. Is that going to focus? Okay, The only difference I can sort of see, you can see my nails now and the dirtiness of the dye. The only difference is the square and round off. So the ones that come in the bag are square in the corners, and the ones that come in the cube are very rounded. So yeah, that looks to be the difference. The steps look exactly the same to me. If I pop that one in there, so if you can see there in the sort of Florian holes, it's very squared off. And if I pop that one in there, it's really rounded. I can imagine the roundness is gonna not help stability, and it might pop a little bit more, it might feel a little bit looser. And I can imagine that the squared off ones will sort of make it feel a little bit, I guess, controllable. It might not corner cut as well. I'll tell you what, let's put it back together and let's just check the corner cutting. 2 tensions it comes on from factory. 2 and 5 seems very random. 2 and 5, okay, right, yep, fair enough. So we're on 2 and 5, usually it's like 3 and 3 or somewhere in the middle, but 2 and 5 is okay. So what I'm gonna do is put this back to 2 and 5, and we'll check the corner cutting, and then I'll put the other piece in and check the corner cutting again. Okay, so we're back to 2 and 5. I'm gonna go straight to 45 degrees, and that corner cuts perfectly. We'll go just over 45 degrees. Okay, so really we can get to about here, which is just over 45 degree mark. Oops. I mean, I don't know what you are doing if you're misaligning that much and whatnot. Oh, blimey, that was actually like, I don't know, really far past it. Has it got auto aligning? I didn't see when we... Okay, so no auto aligning. Oh, I guess it would. No, would it? No, there's no edge magnets. There's no magnets in the middle of the core, so no auto aligning. Okay, what we'll do now is take out that piece and replace it with the square center cap. I can't even call it a centerpiece. Yeah, centerpiece. Let's call it a centerpiece. Gosh, I don't want to put this in the wrong way. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that was the square one. Oh. No. Oh my god. What one just came out? I can't remember what one I just did. Oh no. Okay, right. What we're going to do to that's slightly not adjusted correctly. There we go. 2 and 5. Right. Okay, so we'll do this one. That feels a little bit... That feels a little bit blockier. Like... Or lockier. Lockier? Blockier? Knockier? Oh. Ah, okay. So... Does it not having a center cap on affect this? It popped. Mind you, I am going to like the extremes of corner cutting, which I'm guessing won't happen too much, but you could get a lock up and a solve, I guess. Okay. Yeah, so this is all going a little bit weird. Right. Not too sure I like that center cap, that centerpiece, or the general cube. Oh my gosh, what is with all these magnets? I get people like magnets, but why is it so fiddly? Moyus don't have this. You can tell I'm a little bit biased. Don't get me wrong, GAN cubes are good, but I think they're just, I don't want to say over-engineered either. Okay, 1 minute. We're back on 5, right. Okay, that feels a little bit... I'm going to put this center cap on just in case it makes any difference. I don't know if it would or not, but... And I'll tell you what, let's do it from a different angle. Okay, I can't do it from a different angle because this is the center cap that I've changed. Maybe you've got to change all center caps. That feels a lot better. Okay, so this is the square one. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what on earth changes when you change these center caps, but that one feels an awful lot better. Okay, first thing I would do is swap out and get these babies in, because it just feels a little bit more like, that just wants to pop and be weird. Anyway, I've got to call it there because I'm on a time limit. I just wanted to get a video made and just showcase this a little bit, as much as I could. But pre-orders will start shipping now, so let me know what you think when you get yours. Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one.